In this evening's health report, Shamala Pullen takes a look at ringworm.
Ringworm is a common fungal infection of the skin. It usually appears as a rash in one specific area of the body.
Ringworm, which is the colloquial term for tinea corporis, the medical term for what it's worth, is due to actually not a worm as we may think of it, but it's actually due to a fungus, actually several different type of fungi, which is the plural for the word fungus. And essentially how you get it is actually from either animal sources. You can get it from your cats and dogs and other animals that may be infected with ringworm, or you can get it from other children. It usually happens a lot in children where they're roughhousing, they're playing with each other and they catch it that way.
The condition is highly contagious. Individuals with underlying medical conditions are at greater risk of infection.
It may be due to somebody who has some sort of immune suppression happening in their body. And there are persons who are born with very rare disorders that they're actually more prone to a lot of ringworm. They can also have what we call thrush in the mouth, in the throat, and those are the persons that are more at risk for that. Those are the children who are born with issues like that, persons who are immunocompromised, like adults who have cancer and they're on chemotherapy, persons who are not properly controlled with their HIV, or other such conditions where they are not properly controlled.
Mild cases are usually treated with over-the-counter antifungal medications.
Persons typically see it and they go to the your pharmacy or drugstore to pick up usually the ringworm ointments, which is basically Whitfield's ointments, which has in salicylic acid and some other agents that help to get the scaling off. Now, essentially, you can get it treated via from your GP or your dermatologist or any other doctor, and they will usually give you an antifungal cream, potentially an antifungal tablet or medicine to help to get rid of it.
Most male infections clear up within 2 to 4 weeks. However, treatment may be required for up to 3 months if the infection is severe or involves the scalp or nails. With your health report, I'm Shamala Pullen, wishing you good health.